Okay, good morning folks. This is the Corn King here. Happy New Year to you guys and all the best. Here I'm going to show you a quick tutorial, a little thing called crepes or crepes. Simple and easy way via the blender, using a blender. Okay, so here's a small look at my workstation here. Here we have 4 eggs already cracked and into the blender. We have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of course I use kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar just for a little sweetness, and then we have 3 tablespoons of melted butter, unsalted preferably. Again, the choice is yours. 1.5 cups of whole milk. Okay, so the idea here now, this is using the blender method, quick and easy. You add these ingredients to your blender and you blend, and the consistency is supposed to be that similar of heavy cream. And then, preferably, the longer it stays in the fridge, the more flavor it will add to your crepes. So normally I recommend overnight, leave it in the fridge. But if you want to do it a quick breakfast thing, let it sit for 15 minutes, right after it's blended in the blender. So let me show you how the consistency looks like. So we add the ingredients here quickly. You add your milk, the eggs are already there. Melted butter. Salt and your sugar. Quick and simple. That's the key here. Again, I said, let it sit for like 15 minutes before you actually make the crepes. So now you blend. Right, you see, there's bubbles and nothing floating at the top. That shows that it's of the right consistency, like heavy cream. This is how you know when it's done. You don't want it to be too long in the blender. I recommend anywhere between 20 to 30 seconds should do the trick. And again, I said the key here is to let this blended mixture or batter sit for at least 15 minutes. But if you want more flavor, you let it sit overnight. So you can do this overnight if you know you're going to have breakfast the next day, if it's crepes you're having. And then put it in a bowl and leave it in the refrigerator. Alright, so stay tuned. I'll be back in a couple of seconds to show you how we actually make the crepes. Okay folks, we're back. And like I said, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make these fabulous crepes. So here I have my batter that I made earlier in the first video. But lucky for you guys, this has been sitting overnight. I said most preferably overnight, make it the next morning, and if you're in a rush, let it rest for 15 minutes before you attempt to make your crepes. The longer it stays in the fridge, is the more flavorful it is and the more flavor it gets. So here we go. So the first step is to butter my pan, my saucepan, and I here have a basin brush here. This is the butter. So get into the butter. So this is that to ensure that it does not stick to the pan. Right? And I recommend just for your safety, after each crepe is made, you should butter the pan. Alright? To ensure you don't have an accident. Alright? Oh, there's Big Ben telling me that it is 10 a.m. Alright, that should be enough. So, our next step is we take 1/3 cup of butter. Butter is for large crepes. If you want to make a smaller crepes, 6 tablespoons. I like to work with the conventional large crepes. So here we go. You take 1/3 cup. And then into the pan. Then this is how we proceed to make our crepes. Just fluid motion. Make sure it gets to the side. Alright. Then we cook it on one side approximately 1 minute. Right? You'll see. I hope my cameraman got that. So I didn't put my timer on, but through experience. Now this is what you need to do. Loosen the edges. Right? With a spatula. Could be a rubber spatula like this, or an offset spatula, whichever you choose. And then the trick is, with one swift motion, I take my fingers, you're seeing this? And oops, I was watching the cameraman there, sorry, my bad. Take it like this and flip it over in one quick motion. There you see, timer, approximately 1 minute. I'll do another one for you guys, just to show you that I know what I'm doing. So the key is golden brown, not burnt, but golden brown. Right, so I'd say for large crepes you use 1/3 cup of butter, and for a smaller crepe you use 6 tablespoons. Now these crepes can be filled, savory. I prefer savory, eggs and sausages, or bacon and sausages, ham and sausages. Or they can be veggie, savory too, spinach wraps, or sweet. The preference is yours, however you choose. Right? So this should be done. Well, you just take it out easy like this, off the pan, into the thing. Voila. Right? You see? Perfectly made crepe. One more for you guys. Again, ensure that you butter your saucepan so that it does not stick. Alright. Right. So again, after we've lightly buttered the dish, 1/3 cup of butter, there we go, round and round. Are you seeing that? get my favorite spatula. This one, timer. Right, like I said, cook 1 minute on each side. Preferably on the second side, it doesn't take that long. It takes about probably 45 seconds. After about 20 seconds, the ends are at the thinnest here, so you can start loosening your crepe. See, it comes off pretty easy. Be careful not to break it. Make sure it's buttered carefully, because you see when you don't butter it, what happens? And an offset spatula works best here. This one is a little too thick. See when you don't grease your edges properly. So then there, it's ready to go. That's my timer. So we then lift the edges and in one fluid motion, flip this way. Shrimps. Crepes. Same shrimps. Crepes. And again, let it cook again. This should take about 45 seconds. Smells good. I'm about to drool. So again, just thinking outside the box here, just on a whim here, failed for some crepes this morning, and I decided to show you guys. It's outside the box of the official cornmeal flour recipes, but like I said, you guys want to see me cook anything, but upon request, there's in the section below, you can request it, and I'll be sure, I'll definitely do it for you guys. Alright, so let's see. This is almost done. Yep. I think this front side is supposed to have a little more color. So just put it back there and get a little color. Looks too white. So you see, are you getting this? Alright, so we'll be back shortly. See you guys in a bit. Alright, guys, it's me, the Corn King, bringing something a little new. This is totally out of the norm with the cornmeal flour recipes. So this is how we made simple crepes. And like I said to you guys before, this is how it looks and the texture. If you're going to stack them, you normally will get wax paper and you place them in between each crepes. That batter should give you about 12 to 14 crepes of this size, right? What I want to say is you guys continue to keep smashing that like button, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course you can request anything you would like to see me cook in the comment section down below. So you guys have a great day, and see you guys soon for more upcoming videos. Goodbye. Peace out.